GPS diving service here, Raymoth Drive. We are at piling 2. Let's take a look. Piling 2 is also in reasonable shape, but it has giant boulders laying against it, so we would have to move those in order to wrap it. We're going to go look at piling 3 now.